list price remains strong despite moving into the fall market, and contracts are up from last week. Today is Friday the 13th, October 2023. This is your weekly Maryland Market Minute. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. As your local real estate expert, I bring market updates every Friday so you can stay in the know. Be sure to subscribe and let me know what you want to know. Listings coming to the market are up, yet supplies remain limited. 901 homes are coming soon. 1,764 homes hit the market over the past week, a steep rise over last week. 593 went under contract, 811 moved to pending, 933 sold at 100% list to sold ratio and rising to 10 days before going under contract. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was in Wharton for $5,100,000. Rentals available rose to $2,377 at $2,400 per month and rising again this week to 27 days before leasing. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday the 13th, October 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next week. Take care.